How to see your favorites on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now let's go ahead and add some favorites before we see where you can find them. Open up TikTok. And in order for you to add a video as favorite, all you need to do is click on the icon that's located between the commenting button and the share button. This one right here. When it turns red, it means that the video has been added to favorites, as TikTok told you right here. So let's go ahead and add some videos. That's it. So in order for you to add these videos, to find these videos, you need to click on the profile icon, and from the menu list, this one right here in the middle, click on the icon that we have seen here. This icon, this yellow icon, you will find it here, but here it has an eye crossing, meaning that it's private, so just click on it. And here you will find all the liked videos right here, all the favorites videos. And yeah, that's it. That was it for this video. That's how you can find your favorites on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.